Hey guys, Cast72 here. I want to do a video today on the Dobby drone, and there's another video that I have on it that I did a while back because I modified it to look like an RC racer, which is what you see here. Now, it took so long to come up with this video because I couldn't find the screws that mount the motors. Because of the carbon fiber frame, I needed them to extend a little bit further out, and I had a hell of a time trying to find them. A couple of days ago, I found them on Amazon, and I ordered them, mounted them, and now we're good to go. Now, a couple of things I came across when I was doing this modification. When I finally got the screws and mounted the motors, I noticed that the video quality was terrible, just a lot of wobble. As well as taking photos. If you took a photo, you would get that ghosting effect with the image. So I tried so many things. I tried mounting them with torquing the screws a little bit more than normal to really tighten down on them, had no effect. I tried masking 2 pieces of electrical tape between the frame and the motor, that had no effect. I took the camera out and mounted it in different positions, encased inside foam, sticky tape, but with a thicker mill to try to give it some cushion to stop the vibration. Nothing worked at all. So then it dawned on me, and I said, well, what could be causing that? I mean, why am I getting I know the motors are good, I know the frame's solid, so what the hell's going on? Well, it turns out that when I reduced the weight of the drone, originally from factory it's 199 grams. With the battery and the frame, it's 179 grams on my modification, which is a huge reduction in weight. So I said, maybe the weight's just, it's too light, and these motors are just, moving so fast, they're just shaking the frame around real bad. So I slowly started adding weight to it, and I noticed the more weight I added, the better the video got, the better the quality got, and pretty soon it was just near perfect. So that's why you see these 2 AAA batteries here. These batteries together weigh 21 grams, I believe it is. So if you're gonna do this drone modification where you're basically just reducing weight to get a better flight time, don't exceed 9 grams at the maximum 10 grams. Once you exceed that, no matter what you do to the drone, you're going to have that wobble and that effect on video quality as well as photos. So keep that in mind. Speaking about flight times, I'm gonna go ahead and do a screen capture so you guys can actually see the video of the battery. But here's the problem: these 2 batteries that I have, even though it says it's got a full charge, it doesn't, and that's letting it charge for over 45 minutes. These batteries are defective, in short, so we'll see how much flight we can get out of them, but it's not going to be a true flight test as far as battery time, because these 2 batteries are defective. What else was I going to say? Let's see. So yeah, just make sure that if you're going to reduce any weight off the drone, don't exceed anywhere between 9 and maximum 10 grams. So if you're content with 9 grams, you're good to go. If you do 10 grams above, you're not going to get good video quality. You're going to have a lot of wobble and distortion. Speaking about the batteries, that's what I wanted to mention. I'm not going to spend any more money on this drone as far as batteries are concerned. I got 2 sets of batteries when I first got this drone, and I've flown it off and on many times, and I think these batteries are just they're on their last leg. What I'm going to end up doing on the next video is I'm going to modify the battery to put a much stronger battery and have a much longer flight time, and that's when we'll do the battery flight video. So today it's just going to be mainly I'll go ahead and record the flight time on this, but you'll notice how quickly the battery just drains. But really it's for the picture quality and video quality. And again, guys, I'm sorry about the long wait, but what was keeping me waiting and you guys waiting was the fact that I just simply couldn't find these screws. I'll put the link in the description where I got the screws for the motor mounts, in case you guys want to go with a similar carbon fiber, because this is standard, by the way. The thickness of this frame, that's standard. So if you you know, want to change the frame out on the Dobby or anything of that nature, these screws might come in handy for you. So with that being said, guys, it's a hot day in Texas. We're gonna sweat a little bit, but we're gonna have fun doing this. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video.
And I'm gonna do voiceover at this point, guys, because there's a few things I want to mention to you while I did this video. First off, the AAA batteries that I used, I know that wasn't the best of ideas, but I really wanted to get this video out for you guys, and I didn't have enough time trying to find something that weighed exactly 21 grams. That hit the nail right on the head with those two AAA batteries. They were exactly 21 grams, so it worked out and I was able to push this video out for you guys. So that's just temporarily. Also, if you notice in the video, if you notice the on screen on the iPhone, for some reason there was a huge lag. I'm not sure why. It probably has to do with the compass abnormalities, and apparently there was some sort of magnetic field environment. I don't believe it was the batteries. Batteries don't have anything magnetic in them. Perhaps maybe the aluminum. I guess it's not an aluminum. I think it's nickel plated or something to that effect. Shield, but I didn't think that was going to cause any interference, but that's the only thing I can think of. Besides, what we're really focusing on here in this video is the video quality and picture quality. We're not concerned about the battery time flight, because as I mentioned earlier, the batteries are defective, which you'll notice here. You know, I started out with 99% charge. See how it's just dropping down almost instantly. But that'll be something I'm going to work on here. The next mods I'll be doing on this particular drone is, I think I'm going to go ahead and purchase the newer propellers that are out now for the Dobby drone. They're a little bit quieter and have a little bit more lift. I'm still running the old originals, and I've banged this up a few times, so that doesn't really help, although the video does look good in my opinion for as old as the drone is. So propellers are coming up, the battery modification, and a better way of distributing the 21 grams of weight as opposed to just 3 AA batteries, AAA batteries. You can tell in the video, see how I'm hitting the up right there. See, I'm hitting up, it's not even affecting it, but yet you'll see in a second it'll just go up. And it wasn't the drone. The drone was doing what I was requesting. It was the video playback for some reason just had a huge lag. But yeah, now you notice the battery, it's already down to pretty much, you know, it's pretty much a dead battery, and that started off on a full charge. Unfortunately, both batteries are doing that. So here's where I cut it, and I wanted to just end the video because the battery was draining, and then I landed it pretty quick, and then that was the result. But anyway, I just wanted to show you the video quality, as well as a couple of snapshots I did. And the snapshots, guys, will be the closing. Look forward to the mods, and I appreciate you watching. Peace out.